Hello guys, welcome back to SRK photoworkz YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to blur background in new's updated Snapseed version. It's very easy guys. You can see the before one and the after one. It looks perfect. So without wasting time, watch the video till the end. Let's start. First, open the Snapseed app. After opening Snapseed app, you will see this interface. Now click on add a photo and just select your photo you want to edit. So this is the photo I'm going to edit. Now first step, click on tools and select healing tool. Now first I'm going to erase the person in the picture completely. You also do the same. Just erase the main object in the photo like this. Okay, it's done. Now simply click on apply. Now second step, click on tools and simply click on lens blur tool. Now just keep this circle small with your two fingers, dragging your two fingers like this. Okay, now next click on these two arrows, click on transition and just make the percentage 0, keep it 0. Okay, again click on two arrows, click on witness strength, make it 0. Now last, again click on two arrows, click on blur strength. From here you can adjust the blur percentage, how much blur you want in the picture. For example, I'm keeping it around 79. Okay, and just keep this a ball aside. For example, I'm keeping it here and simply click on apply. Now next step, now I'm going to add the person in the picture. For that, just click on tools, scroll down and simply click on double exposure tool. Click on add and select the same picture. Okay, now just scroll to the left and add subtract style and keep the percentage 100 and simply click on apply. Okay, now next step, click on layers, this symbol. Okay, now click on mask, click on invert. Now we are going to erase the person in the picture. Just brush like this, zoom the picture and brush perfectly. Do not brush outside the person outline. Keep brushing. By the way guys, if you're watching our videos and if you haven't liked, share and subscribe our YouTube channel yet, then do it guys. I do come up with more Snapseed tutorials every week. So if you don't want to miss, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, once it's done, just click on invert. Here are some spots. You can see the lids looks little odd. To remove this, just click on erase and just brush here like this. Just zoom the picture and brush like this. It's looking perfect. Okay, now simply click on apply, click on done, and you can see before one and the after one, before one and the after one. It looks perfect. And to save the picture, just click on export, click on save.